RAM. Here's your slots. First things you do, pull them back. Look in your manual to see what your primary are. In this case, it doesn't really matter what our primary is, because we're going to be filling the chipset with this RAM here. You can see the type is DDR2 by the slit and the gold. Don't touch the gold if you can help it. And if you look, you'll be able to see how it'll only go in one way. So, guess what? That's the way it goes. See it in? Slides right in. Just like that. Some people push it in and then click it, but if you push it in correctly, it should just click. 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 Just like that. It's 2. I love brand new machines. They're so nice. No dust. Crap. 3 and 4. Now some people say yes, it only fits in one way, like I said earlier. You'll notice sometimes, depending on the board and the chipset, you'll have to put only 2 in, or in bay 1 and in bay 3, etc. Or you can only upgrade in pairs. You might need blank slots. You're gonna have to read the manual. In this particular case, we're just gonna max the, well, not max the board out, but we're gonna use all the slots. Also, I had a friend who I told, oh, the RAM only fits one way. Turns out, if you push really, really hard, it fits the other way. And I'll tell you, when he brought it over and turned it on, yeah, thank you. I couldn't believe it. It sparked. It actually blew one of those little gold pieces off. It was actually pretty impressive. Cool. Since it wasn't my machine, it was pretty cool. But you might not want to try that.